EgiptEgyptianne collection, and we're back with another video. I gotta clean my scissors off. I'm doing so multiple things, you guys. And clean it off. Clean this. All right. It's inventory haul, and we're going to get into the first inventory. This inventory is my apricot oil. Super excited. Next one, it's going to be very short, y'all. Next is my rose hemp seed oil. Super excited. That's what it look like on table, y'all. So, this is basically, oh, if you're pregnant, you cannot use this. But basically, it's for healthier hair, softened skin. So basically, this is going into my body butters or my foaming scrubs, or anything that's dealing with body. This is more likely going into my body butter. It's gonna be as a skin moisturizer, so super excited about that, y'all. And this is, like I said, it's a short video. I have more inventory coming, but I probably would just open it and do that. It's a very long time inventory, but yeah. So it's gonna be exclude the video, y'all. If you want to see more videos, inventory hauls, or any videos dealing with around my business, please comment in the comment box, and please like and subscribe to my video, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.